In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run change management in Freshservice. We'll walk through a simple, reliable flow you can repeat every time you implement a change. Start in your Freshservice workspace and head to the Changes section from the left-hand menu. This is where all change records live, so it's the best place to create and track work end-to-end. Click the New button and choose Change to open a fresh record. Begin by filling out the basic details. Give your change a clear, concise title so it's easy to recognize in lists. In the description, explain what you're changing, why it's needed, and which services or assets are involved. Select the appropriate type, such as standard, normal, or emergency, depending on your organization's setup. Then set the priority based on urgency and business impact. This helps teams align on timelines and resources. When you're done, click Save to create the record and lock in the essentials. Next, add your planning information. Open the change you just created and find the Planning section. Here, include a well-reasoned justification for the change so reviewers understand the purpose and expected benefits. Describe the impact, noting the services at risk, potential downtime, user groups affected, and any known dependencies. Document your rollout plan with a clear sequence of actions and who is responsible for each step. Just as important, define the backout plan. Outline the exact steps to revert if something goes wrong, plus the triggers or thresholds that would cause you to roll back. When everything is complete, save your updates. At this point, the Change Advisory Board, or CAB, must review and either approve or reject the change before you proceed. This gate keeps your environment safe and ensures stakeholders agree on timing and risk. Monitor the record and respond to questions promptly to keep the review moving. Once the change is approved, update the change status to implement, or the equivalent stage used in your lifecycle. Now carry out the tasks defined in your rollout plan. Stay aligned with the schedule, communicate with any impacted teams, and follow the steps as documented to reduce risk. As you work, log notes and attach evidence directly to the change. Capture timestamps, configuration snapshots, screenshots, or logs. Anything that proves the steps were executed and helps with auditing or troubleshooting later. Keeping a thorough record makes post-implementation reviews smoother and supports continuous improvement. That's the full flow. Create the change, plan it well, get CAB approval, implement, and document as you go. Follow this structure each time to keep changes safe, transparent, and controlled.